Hi, I'm Michael Brown. I'm the owner of AquaVision Pool Care. I'm a certified pool operator. I got started a little bit later in my life. Why? Well, I've worked behind a desk my entire life. I have an engineering background, software development background, and moving to Vegas from London, I really wanted to be outside. I wanted to do something different. So I got certified, got on the job training for well over a year, decided to start my own company. What makes me different? I really care about pools. I'm passionate about pools. I have no idea why, but I am. Every pool that I service, I treat as my own. If there's a leaf left at the bottom of the pool, I don't feel comfortable walking away from that pool. Anyway, I'm hoping that this gives you a little insight as to me and my company and why I would love the opportunity to service your pool. Thanks.